Usembut Menteri Rangba bapet jaga transport ba singau balang dhar haga khatway tarik jeliu ula pelai pat ba ya ka one time settlement OTS scheme arhajar arpun reu jangka transport department kabala aila de hitrai kali ki bamla shu ban siu ya ki khajna kali ki balalang bat sateng labun pun benai bat snem Usembut Menteri Rangba ula penbena kani ka scheme kan map no hadu khandai % ya ka kuna penalty mar prapo % ya ka khajna MV tax goods and passenger tax lai por ki trai kali ban siu ya ka OTS hapo ka lai phoi tarik nai lar man tau snem ubasnya balang ulai thu bada kani jingma pa Sorkar kan yo lum khajna duna kaban kot hapdeng ka shispa arpho hadu shispa san pho Klur Tyngka na ka ba ka dei ban yo hadu khandai spa Klur Tyngka ka khajna
Good afternoon, everyone. Our honorable my colleagues in the department and dear media friends. Now to launch the one-time settlement scheme, sir. As we are aware, sir, settlement scheme for regularizing have not paid it, sir. And then honorable cabinet has approved 80% waiver on the passenger goods dues, sir. And then the major chunk has approved 90% waiver, sir. So after that, we are ready. And,
all these people will know properly how to start.
So we just request you to just have a small answer.
Understood here? Yeah.
Thank you, sir, for the honors. For all the vehicles.
Collection. Tax collection. So far. Now we'll enter one commercial vehicle, sir.
So we are just entering one vehicle, sir, which is under default. Just
For example.
yeah. They can pay online, they can pay cash.
So here, sir, it is showing that the total tax amount in this one is 60,000. So the interest is 37,775. I mean the total of this one is being rebated for 80%, and the remaining amount is 20,555.
So the total amount would have been 1,08,400 and something, sir. So we have rebated 78,000 odd things, sir. So they have to pay ultimately only 20,000. So that is the.
This is the system scheme after we have been done.
Yes.
Similar.
Good start.
So just show how the receipt will be showing. Okay. Then go to cash or something you show me. Just
Yes, sir.
yeah. Just generate receipt. So people will get this kind of receipts, wherein it mentions
Up to
that
date.
yes, sir, up to date, sir. On the day when they will be settling,
Yeah.
the penalties as well as everything will be calculated, and then they get all these three are the main documents which they should have to have a legal documents to fly. Yes.
So from this moment, people can come for more.
Yes, sir. We'll be making it live, sir. They will host it now, sir, now. So maybe from tomorrow.
For umbrella guidance. And I say thank you so much. Because we have passed in the cabinet for the last few weeks, so finally today we have come to the
Last week.
to nga nagaling ni Sorkar nila kamta magaling ngaba I could blake pang di team join po yung transport department ka officer. Hadin bingla de pas ya ka cabinet kini kisi brother kumingla pamna ya kini one time settlement scheme nagmantaman waive of ya taxes of vehicle kumala brief hani ki brother exactly ya bede berke motor vehicle taxes and good taxes kabalong din waive by proportions hag bede berke fitness kin waive by 90%. Mentah kasi na long finally ke sistem kalau ready in place kena bi pai ba jungi mentah like formally launching kamu duduk le syai kelak ban cemat ban siu no ek by court by slam di kumung la pemnah kabel ini si belada
tikani gaji kani ko one time settlement jo phide hatu kate ye kini ki kali ki ba
all commercial vehicle big and small
kamu duduk kat luar senam ada kamu senam kat
no not from which year till date. Whatever dues has been there, so they can come and clear the dues as per the formula which has been structured by the government as per this one-time settlement scheme which have been announced already.
Tapi ni ji anong jo Sorkar kanu kan anong ba ide.
Roughly ke Sorkar kalak bandio kumbaduna ars paklur plus more or less. Namar barok ke dues at kumbingila calculate not exactly kalak ban poi almost 1100 crore. So after we waive, roughly we waive more than 800 crore. So kata government kadang yok revenue try kelak menduna kai kumbar spaku maybe 180 170 crore more or less kadai gaji nyarap revenue jong government bar haju ko koru kadai relief ba egi cost margin kani try kali kampang
to dang dan am chin ban dum dan leakage.
You see, that is very good question. I would like to make sure and request to my officer and to all the truck owner after they finish this one-time scheme. So from next phases or from next quarter, I request them to come regularly so that there will be no more big dues like how it happened for the last 2 years. All payment has been done. You see, you mean how it come? So we have been collect from all data from those vehicle which has not been paid. Maybe there is a certain vehicle from the motor vehicle tax this much of vehicle, from the good passenger this much of vehicle, from the fishes this much of thousand of vehicle are there. So roughly it come to almost 1100 crore dues. So after we waive all this, so we'll be getting a revenue. If all of them are coming forward, we may gain around 180 to 200 crores.
So how was the loss? How much was the
Loss, you know, from 1100 crore more or less to if it is not a loss actually. Mainly all these compounds mainly is finally.
1100 crore?
Mainly is from fitness. Only from the fitness win penalty almost 900 crore. Even here, for example, like the data with me here also from motor vehicle taxes almost 65,000 approximately, and from good passenger tax over 12,642, and for penalties which is for fitness certificate is more than 57,000 vehicle. It's huge number. That's why the amounts have come very huge.
So this is for how many this one-time settlement window?
As of now, one time till August 31st.
After that,
And after that,
Regular, they have to come forward regular payment quarterly or monthly. We request them and they should come also. We cannot give a scheme every year, no.
also about this vehicle scrappage policy. So what is it?
That is different subject that we are on the process.
By when that will be implemented?
At the earliest possible. Now all the system is being preparing, so as soon as the system is ready, we will implement it. But it will take a little bit time.
By when are you?
Not when, at the earliest possible.
And how many at least percent of vehicles off the road are you expecting?
That's why we are in the process of preparing for a scrapping its policy. So as soon when everything is in place, I'll be able to tell you how many vehicles are yet to scrap. By the PLUD, you see there are few line departments. Some are from police, some are from PLUD, some from transport, all together. So there's different department who regulate all this. Transport is will give documents, and mostly like our road has been designed in such a manner, and even sometime from the police, so they keep checking every now and then. There's a 3-4 line department all together who regulate and maintain all this.
So are you also from the transport department? Are you doing something to limit the vehicle speed?
Obviously, my officers on the field, MVI enforcement is already there.
Any specific direction given to them?
Not specific, always rules always in place. No need to give direction, rule is always in place. That's how we work from the transport department.